Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to set up sound recognition on your iPhone. So let's open settings, and then you want to scroll down to section accessibility, and now let's go to hearing, and here you will find sound and name recognition section. Let's tap here, then go to sound recognition, and please turn this on. Then your phone will download this. And now let's open section with sounds. So you want to turn on the toggles for ones that you want. For example, it could be alarms, animals, household, and people. So let's say that I want to turn on sound recognition for fire. Let's tap allow. And for example, when my dog will bark as well, my phone will identify this sound and notify me. So let me explain you how it works. When your iPhone will detect one of the selected sounds that you previously selected, you'll get a notification alert on your screen and vibration on your device. Basically it works by using your microphone in the background, and it somehow processes it and gives you notification on your device. So that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.